Okay, we are in the transport field. Now, disposition and destination are two tabs that are pretty important and contain a lot of information. So very quickly as we go through these. Disposition. We already did this, right? We chose the disposition in the run info section. So a lot of these fields are intertwined throughout the entire PCR experience here. There's just be heads up when you're changing something. So type of scene delay, let's say we had none. Let's say we're en route already. That's like a 45-minute scene time. We don't want Jason or Tammy to get on our case about that. Let's go ahead and say that we went, let's say it was a worker of a chest pain here. He's non-STEMI anyway, right? So right here we have type of scene delay. There was no delay, base contacted. If you contact a base station, put the base station name here. Problem is this doesn't turn red, so people don't do it. Even though there's mandatory base station contact in certain protocols, we have to come back and question why they did it. Oh, I did it, but you didn't document it here. So let's say we're close to Loma Linda. Maybe we don't even need orders, but we contacted a base station. So we contacted Loma Linda University, and then we're going to click our contact time here. So let's say we contacted about, after being en route, 4 or 5 minutes. So it's about 10:40. So we're going to go ahead and dial that time back to 10:40. Transport mode from scene. All right, it's either code 3 or code 2. Code 3 downgrade to code 2, or code 2 upgrade to code 3. So let's say non-emergent, the way we're rolling right now. Type of transport delay. There was none, no weather, no other problems like that. If there was, you can change it. Okay. Transporting agency, that would be AMR Redlands. I don't know why, but if you go all the way to the bottom, that's where the Redlands and Rancho is, right above Redlands Fire. So just know that. You can just also, since it's a searchable field, you can type AMR, and then the AMR ones will pop up separated from the rest. Okay. Number of patients, it's blank. It's either 1 or it's something else. Okay. So right now we don't need to type anything in there, but if you're a completist, you really want to, let's say we have 1 patient. EMS transport method. Ground ambulance. Okay. The destination tab, also pretty important. Reason for choosing this destination, it says patient choice or closest. Regional specialty center. If we're going there because he's a STEMI, we'll say this is a patient's choice. Okay. Destination transfer to, we went to Loma Linda, right? So type LOM and then Loma Linda University Medical Center. A quick note. There's Loma Linda University Medical Center, and there's also Loma Linda Children's Hospital. See, they're different. So if you have a person who's 17 years old or under, they're going to want you to go to the children's side or the pediatric side. If you do that, choose Loma Linda University Children's Hospital. Okay, it's a separate budget, separate ER, separate entity, same phone number. But if we're going to regular Loma Linda. So we're going to type LOM in here and just go to Loma Linda University Medical Center. Okay. Type of destination, it is a hospital emergency department. Hospital capability, are we going there because he's a possible STEMI? No, he's a general. We're going there in general. If we're going there because it's a STEMI center, then we can type in a cardiac center here. Okay, so PCI capable 24/7. If you're going out of county to someplace, you have no idea where you're going, or it's not listed, or you're not sure how it's listed, your destination address and postal code lookup, and you can find what you need there. Okay, so as we scroll down here, arrived destination, we've arrived yet? We haven't arrived yet, let's say. We're going to skip that real quick. ALS base station contact, yes, we contacted. We're ALS unit. We transported ALS and we made base station contact. That's what that's for. Additional mode descriptions. Basically no lights and sirens, but you see there's other ones here that you could also tap in. And if you had to upgrade and then downgrade it again. Hospital team activations, you can just say no. If you did activate, it wants this activation time to be sometime before you got there for some reason. We arrived on scene. Okay, receiving hospital time is now orange. We don't need it, but it's used to turn red. So even if you called the base station, it still wanted you to put that time in there. So I'm annoyed by any color other than blue. So we'll put 1040 in there. I'm just going to go here and type destination arrival. I can tap on that. It'll put that time in there. But I'm going to go back 15, go back 5, go back 1. All right. Odometer, we start at 0, and whatever your ending miles would be, we'll say it was 8. They encourage you to put decimals in there, so it's 8.3. Put 8.3. Patient belongings. Now when you get here, let's say he just has a wallet, purse/wallet. Where's that? Yeah, his keys. We brought his insurance card with him and his driver's license, wallet/purse. That's all we had. Add destination with patient or however else this belongs out there. You can hit other and itemize here in this section if you like to. All right, so now our transport tab is all done.